Hi, this is Ling. In this video, I will have a demo of the details of my project. It's about the mini compiler. So, okay, first let me try to talk about how to download the source code. Is in the link is in the report, and when we are here, try to download the zip, and when we unzip that, so there is a file like called compiler.solution, and we can open this file with a Visual Studio, and when we load all the files into Visual Studio, we just simply click start, and the program will run. And in this folder, there are two very important files. The first one is called the grammar.txt. The second one is passcode.txt. So for the grammar.txt, it shows like all the detailed grammar in this project, and in the passcodes, it has it is the input of the project. Basically, it's a true Pascal codes. So yeah, we use this for the testing purpose. So okay, this project mainly contains four parts. The first one is morphology analysis. I have already present this last time, so this time we'll briefly go through this. The second part is the grammar analysis. Most of this video will talk about this. And the third and the fourth part, I haven't finished the work yet, and they are for the future. They are for the future analysis. And okay, so this video will mainly focus on the grammar part. So, okay, this is the grammar of my project. Basically, it is like how Pascal code runs. It is much more complicated than the just simply arithmetic expressions. Since it's a whole program, of course it starts with a program keyword and then identifier, and after that it is the var definition and the code block. The code block means the beginning and the end. Yeah, this block. So the var, first for the var definition, it can be empty. Of course, we can we don't need always have the var. We can directly start with the beginning and end. So it can be empty, and it comes with a var keyword. Then the var definition. This is the var definition. First is the identifier list, and then it follows by the type of the var. And by the way, there can be more than one sentences of the var definition. So that's why here we also try to recursive call itself to check the second sentence of the var. So for identifier list, it can be one or multiple. So basically, it's another recursive call of itself to check all the identifiers. Okay, then come to the code block, the main part. So the main part first it starts with begin and end, and all of these are sentences. For each sentence, it is an execution sentence. And there are two types. One is the assignment sentence, just like this, a equal to something, b equal to something. And the other one is the structure sentence. There are three types of structure sentence. The code block, which means begin and end. It can be nested. The second one is the if. The third one is while. For the if, there are two conditions: if, then, and the if, then, else. This is for second condition. So the while, it is only one. So while Boolean expression, and then do something, do like execution sentence again. Okay, next is the expression definition. For expression, yeah, just we talked before, there are two: arithmetic and Boolean. So arithmetic expression, just like a equal to like this, c equal to plus b, something like that. Boolean is like a wire like a less than 10. This is Boolean. So for both arithmetic and the Boolean expressions, we have the like different items, like expression itself, item, factor, value, and the same for the Boolean. So this the purpose to separate them is try to separate the priority of all these signs. Like for the arithmetic, the first of course comes with the identifier integer and the real, like the input like this, like 2 and a and b identifier stuff. The second one come with the parenthesis. Of course is like has a highest priority. Then it is the product and the division sign. The last one is the plus and the minus sign. So for the Boolean, the first priority is the comparison expression itself, like this. Like the comparison expression itself. And the next is the not. Like maybe if we put a not is the first priority, and then comes with the and the last is or. So in this way we can try to separate the priority to tell the program to calculate which first. And I think basically this is about the logic of the grammar. And back to the code. Basically for each item in this grammar, I have a separate function to deal with this logic in my program. Like from the beginning it is like the program tag, and then check var, check begin, and then for the var definition it calls others like check the block code block, and even like I talked before, it even try to recursive call itself. So and like we can quickly go through the logic, like check code block, check sentence, check execution sentence, assignment sentence, check expression, Boolean, and arithmetic, and final check the structure, which contains if and while. Basically this in this way we can separate like all these items into different functionalities, so it can call itself or can call others. So I will have a run of the program quickly, so we can see the simple. So first try to read the source file from the input file. So I intentionally like keep this like run here. So in the morphology analysis we can identify this one is the illegal character, the second one is the double decimal point. So if we click this, it will identify all this issue. So we will close this one and go back to the source code to update the code. So let's try to update and run it again. So it will the output is the token list, which is for the future use. And for grammar analysis, like using this logic, if it's correct, it just shows correct. If we modify something, like if we try to use like this, no, this is illegal character. Maybe let's try to use the like this. For this one, and if we try to run the program itself, like it will give error. Right parenthesis is missing in the Boolean expression. So basically this will do the grammar analysis and give us the error like as the output here. So basically this is how my program runs, and due to the time limitation, I will not like present all the possible errors here. So maybe like when testing, definitely we can all try all the possibilities, try to change in the source code and try all the possibilities to test the program. So thank you for watching this video. Okay, so any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. Okay, thank you.